Here we are at the rental house. Ski, Texas. Hello. Look at this cool thing. This is awesome. It's a two flusher. So, now I'm gonna wait for it to refill, and I'm gonna press this one. Oh, focus! I got this cool light in here, and this happened. Window cracked. Now let's do the tube flusher. This. It's a longer flush. And then we have another other than. Yep. But I don't know how to turn on. Is it this? Yep. Yep, it works. It works. I'm surprised. Because that thing was turned off. Wow. Let's turn it. Oh, focus. Focus. Oh, this is bad. Okay, there it goes. This is Tree Man 71 signing off. See you later.